I guess what has changed is over the years is the value of time. There's always a premium on getting things done on time and on a timely basis.
Profitability in construction and steel bridge fabrication is directly based on efficiency and accuracy. Dynamic Structural Steel has built a reputation on providing the fastest turnaround and most accurate steel components in the industry.
We've been known for our accuracy, our commitment to the customer, and development of newer products to speed up the manufacturing process of structural steel manufacturing.
For years, steel erectors have realized the benefits of extremely accurate steel components and incredible efficiency. After years of refining best practices, Dynamic Structural Steel now applies these same proven processes and technologies to the steel bridge industry.
And we wanted to take this technology and implement it into the bridge industry where it could be utilized in kind of a new frontier of steel bridges.
Dynamic Structural Steel accomplishes this efficiency and accuracy by utilizing the most advanced technologies in the industry, including 3D modeling and end-to-end material processing.
A couple of differences between us and your typical bridge fabricator is that we use a 3D technology for 3D modeling. Every inch of material gets modeled in our 3D model. That way it allows us to manipulate that model, look to see if we've got any clashes or interference with any other products that are in the model, whether it's drains or handrails, anything else within this model, to make sure that everything fits perfectly. Then all that information then is downloaded into our multiple CNC machines for the different categories of product within that bridge. That's what allows us to be able to fabricate these bridges efficiently and correctly the first time.
Applying Dynamic Structural Steel's proven technologies to the steel bridge industry was a natural progression.
We've seen that the bridge industry has some parallels to the structural steel industry, that fabricators without the automation of CNC technology and without the 3D models are having more of a difficult time making sure that everything fits up. They're having to mock up entire bridges out in their yard to make sure that every bolt fits in every hole. That's why we thought this would be a great parallel with all of our CNC technology and 3D modeling to make sure that everything fits the first time like it's supposed to try and eliminate the costs of all these in-shop fit-ups of large sections of bridges. They know it fits. We can set up one section of bridge, they see it fits, and then have the confidence that every section fits there on after.
They had the measurements perfect, and it fell right into the holes. So yeah, we like to see when things like that happen.
Now with the implemented new technology that we've got for the bridge industry, we're able to allow that whole package to be detailed faster, purchased faster, and delivered to the customer in a lot faster condensed time frame.
I worked side by side with their men in their shop, and they have an attitude that's very impressive. Plus, they do quality work.
To meet the rigorous demands and certifications required by the steel bridge industry, Dynamic Structural Steel has made the investment in their technologies and employees to provide the most accurate and efficient steel bridge components anywhere.
The welding procedure specification is a recipe for making a good weld, and it's required in the industry to make proper welds. They did that. They worked with a group called Atima. They bought brand new welding machines, submerged arc welding units from Lincoln, and they were properly set up. They are PLC units. They're programmable logic controlled units that make up to 67-foot welds on this project, 5/16 continuous with non-stop welding.
With this technology, what it allows us to do is be able to compete against a lot of the other fabricators that are still running the single welding machine with Lincoln LT7 tractors to run one weld bead at a time. We're actually running both weld beads down that girder at the same time, flipping the girder over, and then back welding it at the same speed. We're able to process 67-foot long girder in right around an hour and a half, both sides.
They also set up welder qualification records for all their welders, operator qualification records, and they did procedure qualification records once the WPSs were done. They were very professional in their work and their process. There's not many people around here that can do that type of work.
Another benefit is efficiency, not only in component construction, but throughout the entire fabrication process.
What used to take 12 months now takes 3 months. So if they need a bridge within 90 days because there's an issue or they've got a failure or fatigue problem, that bridge can be processed within 60 to 90 days to get the customer a faster bridge more economically.
Dynamic Structural Steel's 11-acre site and 100,000 square foot facility is capable of handling end-to-end fabrication of steel components. Located in northern Minnesota, Dynamic Structural Steel's plant is strategically situated adjacent to an international rail yard and minutes away from the loading docks of the world's largest inland seaport. Combined with a fleet of tractor trailers, steel bridge components can be shipped literally anywhere. Accurate, efficient, dependable. Dynamic Structural Steel.